Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll explain the milestone billing invoice automation workflow in n8n. This workflow checks milestone billing records from Google Sheets, calculates the billable amount, uses GPT-4o Mini to generate invoice narration, creates an HTML invoice, emails it to the client, updates invoice status, and alerts the accounts team on Slack. Step 1. Manual trigger. The workflow starts with a manual trigger. This allows us to run the invoice automation whenever we want to check milestone records and process invoices. Step 2. Sheets. Milestone ready. This Google Sheets node reads the milestone tracker sheet. It pulls milestone details like milestone ID, contract ID, milestone name, completion percentage, invoice trigger percentage, contract value, invoice status, and approval status. Step 3. Filter. Ready to invoice. This filter node checks which milestone records are actually ready for invoicing. It keeps only the rows where the milestone has reached the required trigger percentage and is eligible for billing. Step 4. If node, skip if none ready. This if node checks whether any ready to invoice milestone exists after filtering. If there are no eligible records, the workflow stops and does not generate an invoice. Step 5. Code, calculate billable amount. This code node calculates the invoice amount based on the contract value and invoice trigger percentage. It prepares the billable amount that will be used in the invoice. Step 6. GPT-4o Mini, write invoice narrative. This AI node creates a professional invoice narrative for the milestone. It explains what milestone was completed, why billing is triggered, and how the invoice amount relates to the contract terms. Step 7. Code, merge GPT and build approval URL. This code node merges the milestone data with the AI-generated invoice narrative. It also creates the approval URL that can be used by the client or internal team to review the invoice. Step 8. Code. Generate HTML invoice. This code node builds the invoice in HTML format. It includes the client details, contract details, milestone name, completion percentage, invoice amount, narrative, and approval link. Step 9. Gmail. Send invoice to client. This Gmail node sends the generated invoice to the client. The email contains the invoice details and the approval link, so the client can review the milestone billing request. Step 10. If you are client approved, this if node checks whether the invoice has been approved. If approval is received, the workflow continues to update the billing records and notify the accounts team. Step 11. Sheets. Mark invoice as sent. This Google Sheets node updates the milestone tracker and marks the invoice as sent. It keeps the billing status updated directly in the sheet. Step 12. Sheets. Update approval status. This node updates the approval status in Google Sheets. It records whether the invoice was approved and stores the latest approval information. Step 13. Sheets. Log invoice event. This Google Sheets node creates a billing event log. It records the milestone reference, invoice status, approval status, and workflow activity for audit tracking. Step 14. Slack. Notify accounts team. The final Slack node sends a notification to the accounts team. It confirms that the milestone invoice has been processed and shares the key billing details for visibility. That's the complete milestone billing invoice automation workflow. It reads milestone records from Google Sheets, filters records that are ready to invoice, calculates the billable amount, generates invoice narration using GPT-4o Mini, creates and sends the invoice, updates billing records, logs the event, and alerts the accounts team on Slack. I'm Rahul Joshi. See you in the next one.